Hey everyone! If you're looking for an honest review of Cellucare, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to share my personal experience with this amazing blood sugar support supplement and how it completely transformed my life. Let's dive right in. A few months back, I was constantly battling fatigue and struggling to keep my energy levels up. My blood sugar levels were all over the place, and I knew I had to find a solution. That's when I stumbled upon Cellucare. Now, I'm someone who's tried countless products with little to no results, so I was skeptical at first. But Cellucare was different. It promised to support blood sugar goals, boost blood health, and enhance vitality and energy. So what makes Cellucare stand out? This supplement is engineered based on modern science, using pure plant ingredients and natural minerals. It's gentle yet powerful, and it's assembled right here in the United States. That gave me some peace of mind. I started noticing changes after just 1 week. My concentration improved, my energy levels soared, and I felt more vibrant than I had in years. Consistency is key though. The best results come when you take Cellucare for at least 3 months. Trust me, it's worth it. Taking Cellucare is super easy. Just 1 capsule with your evening meal and a half glass of water. That's it. And if you're worried about the results, Cellucare offers a 60-day money-back guarantee. They stand by their product, and that speaks volumes. Inside each Cellucare capsule, you'll find over 12 carefully selected ingredients that support blood sugar levels. Ingredients like turmeric rhizome for blood sugar support, cocoa bean extract for blood flow, and gymnema for a healthy heart and blood sugar. These natural components work together to optimize your system. The biggest question I often get is, what if my blood sugar doesn't improve or I don't lose weight? Cellucare is designed to assist in maintaining healthy blood sugar levels and support weight management. It has helped countless individuals, including myself, to work towards their health goals from the comfort of their homes. This breakthrough formula helps naturally awaken the feedback loop responsible for blood sugar regulation and healing. It's like unlocking your body's dormant potential. And guess what? If you order 6 bottles or even 3 bottles today, you get 2 free bonuses. This is a deal you don't want to miss. So if you're ready to change your life like I did, check the link to the official Cellucare website below this video. Support your blood sugar goals, boost your energy, and reclaim your vitality. Don't wait. Start your journey to a healthier you today. Thanks for watching. Remember, the link is right below this video. Enjoy the transformation, and